What's up, J fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on this diamond kit for your tooth and how I applied it, then stay tuned and keep watching. So today we'll be doing this Got to Smile crystal tooth kit just to see what it's like. I have done crystals on my tooth before, not professionally, I never used the crystal kits. So this is the first time I'll be trying this. I have used super glue and the diamonds. Don't do that because the dentist said not to do that. They preferred a kit like this. So I'm gonna do that instead because apparently glue will damage your teeth. So you don't wanna do that. Okay, so opening this up. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below in the description box. So this is what it comes with. It has, looks like a little light, a crayon. Looks like a crayon. Probably like, I don't know. These little swabs, it looks like. The UV bond, and then the cleaning gel, and then some cotton and a couple of Swarovski, I can't pronounce that, Swarovski crystals in there as well. And then it comes with some directions, detailed directions. So lay out all the material, a clean surface. I have a clean surface. Make sure you have a clean surface. Thoroughly clean teeth, dry tooth with cotton roll. So I'm gonna grabbing a cotton roll. The tooth I want to do is, I think I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that's not comfortable. Okay, next is a cleanser. So you're gonna take, I'm gonna have to dry my tooth again because I talked, but you're taking these little tools, I believe. Which have like these little cute little cotton at the end, like small cotton balls. Okay, and then you leave it on your tooth 15 to 20 seconds, and then we rinse and dry the tooth. Okay, so we're gonna dry the tooth. Okay, so I rinsed it in the bathroom, and then I also got the cloth just to rinse it more. It has like a salty sour taste, and you can definitely feel a new texture on your tooth. Like this, it's all shiny, and you get right here to the tooth I did, and it feels rough. So that shows me this is doing something. All right, I'm just gonna grab another cotton roll to dry my tooth on again. These are small diamonds. I'm gonna have to use one of my big diamonds maybe. These are the diamonds, oops, before I dry my tooth and get in deeper to the process, These are the diamonds that are in there. There's like 3 diamonds. Let me try opening it. Oh, sorry, there's 5 diamonds. Looks like there's 2 pink, is that pink? Yeah, 2 pink and 3 silver. These are probably the diamonds I'm gonna use because I want it to stand out. So this is the crystal applicator. This is where you pick up the crystal to put on your tooth. And then you got your light and then the UV bond. Okay, so now, I'm just gonna pick a diamond. Oops. This is the size that I'm going for. I got this from Amazon as well. I will also leave this in the description box. I'm using number 9. They have numbers. This is number 9 that I'm using. So now, I don't know why I'm so nervous. Okay. I think so. Okay, so trying my tooth again. It's so uncomfortable. Okay, then taking the UV rod. Mm-hmm. Okay guys, so I'm back. The tooth is on there. It's been 10 minutes of me holding this little light on. This is the only thing I had an issue with out of the whole kit. This is something I would change if they could change it. Because to turn it on, you literally have to hold it down and place it at your tooth for 10 minutes and hold it. Instead of just turning, like clicking it and it'll be on, and then click it again and it'll be off. You literally just have to hold it for 10 minutes, which hurt my thumbs a little bit. But other than that, this kit works. It's affordable. I'll show you guys the link in my description box for it. But it's affordable. It comes with a lot of good stuff. You could do this more than once with the amount of products they applied, which is nice. They were pretty courteous with the product, which I love. It came out cute. It's not going anywhere. It's on there pretty good. It's not going nowhere, which I like. So I'm gonna see how long this will last, and I'll let you guys know either in this video or in the description box of how long it lasts. I'm hoping it lasts a long time. At least longer than the old way that I used to do it. So that should be interesting. The directions were super simple, easy to follow, which is great. It's always great to have simple directions that make it so clear and less confusing. So that was great. Again, the amount of product in here, nice. This is so cute. It does come with its own diamonds, but because I'm picky and I wanted a big diamond, I used my own they have tinier diamonds. The diamonds are tiny. So I would say out of this, they were probably smaller than these. Smaller than number 3 for sure, if you get these. But yeah, this just comes with a bunch of different size of diamonds. Again, I used 9 for this one. The process felt kind of weird. You could feel with the UV light, it just tightening and like holding on, like molding onto the tooth, which was nice. I feel like I need to add more now. So yeah, this is cute. This was easy. This was fun. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like how it looks. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.